All right, folks. What we got here is a key fob battery that we are going to change on a Toyota. This is a Toyota Venza. This is a 2012. If it looks like the same as yours, it was a Toyota, then it's all the same thing. All right, we're going to remove the emergency key in here. We're going to push in right here. This piece comes out, and then we'll use it as a tool. Right in here, you can see the little slot. Okay. Stick that in there and give it a nice little twist. Okay, once it cracks the clamshell open, you're going to open it, and there it is. Look at that battery. Let's see. I changed it back in 12. I'm going to say 19 because there's no way that's 17. It wouldn't last that long. All right. So there it is, 1219. You can see the positive side is up. So I take a nice little tiny screwdriver. And when to pry it, there's 3 little tabs here. 1, 2, 3 that hold the battery in. So you might just want to just pull back on one of them or 2 of them. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a lift. Get it up out of the way. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, the camera's in the way, I can't see. There it is. All right. Take it out just the way you put it back in. There's a 1632 on this model. Got the Energizer one from AutoZone. You could buy cheaper ones, but why buy cheaper ones? Then they just go a little faster. So this one lasted what? 2 years. That's not bad. Look at this. They made these such a design proof now that you can't just steal them. You can't go into the store. You'll find them and just pop them in your pocket. Let me go get a pair of scissors. All right, scissors. In comes the scissors. Let's cut this off. Because that's what they do. So you don't go and you go and steal them. All right. So now I'm going to just pop them right back in there. Okay. Perfect. Should we date it? Yeah, that's what I do. Let me go get my little marker. All right. So it's 1222. So let's mark it as 1222. All right. That's what I do. Listen, you guys don't have to do that. You don't have to be a nut like me. All right. So let's see. Basically, it's the way it is. All right. So what you can do is you can take this, put it on this side, or vice versa. Goes the same way. Dun, 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 dun. What is the button? So I messed myself up now. Voila. Voila. I was going to try to do it the other way, but it is what it is. Messed myself up. All right. Make sure you got the slot in the right way. Snap, snap. Put the key back in. And you are good to go. Okay? There you go. Thanks for watching. Time to go get the other key fob now. Let's find it. Gotta be somewhere in the house. All right. Ciao.